Hey guys, I'm at those. I'm at my usual spot in my house. In my house, guys. I'm gonna show you all my stuffed animals. I have like 6, 7. I'm kidding. I have like 28 or something. For the biggest one. Winning the overall of the biggest stuffed little chick.
Look at this. Guess who's here? This one just got more expensive. Randy,
A squishmallow.
don't let Dave get to you. This is our new figure. We're gonna buy this
For the
shit.
biggest kid.
We got a chrome top, refrigerator, some furniture here. You got roll top down. This shit is mine for the taking.
And these girls. Winning the twins. Next twin. Pairs of twins.
They shut up for nothing, just to
So
show
many
off.
twins.
I made him pay an extra $600 for that unit he bought. And I don't think he's going to make any money.
When it comes to customer wars, customer service is optional. But chaos is guaranteed.
I better get it back.
On A&E. Watch Wednesday on the A&E app.
The recipe for a long, healthy life? It starts with gently cooking our food to give your dog
Guys,
the
I have a new way. Guys,
Get 50% off your first box.
yeah, I'm eating it.
Farmersdog.com.
You ate my finger.
Celebration with the Hyatt Sleep that makes you feel
my
your
finger.
best. That's a mattress cover that keeps you cool or warm so your body can truly rest. And if you share
Next to it.
2 climates, no compromise. Get yours during our biggest sale of the year at 8sleep.com.
Wait, let's let go.
Because she backs the time. So she's
My
racking
little
up
boo-boo.
cash back and gets paid when she says. And those pesky bank fees, she wouldn't know. She banks fee-free. While building her credit stress-free. Look at her go. So don't bank the old way.
Well,
Bank more this season.
so I'm gonna do part 2.
Time to start your business.
Part 2.
Time for Shopify.
I'm gonna be doing other crap videos. So
Sell everywhere people shop.
bye bye, bye
What's
bye.
best converting checkout. See why millions of businesses sell with Shopify. Start your free trial today.
I started in the hotel business before I could see over a countertop. When I was 9, my parents dubbed me the CEO of the vending machine, and it was really cool.
Hey,
We chose Spectrum 30 years ago when we started this business. Spectrum provides the entertainment. They also provide the ability for guests to stay connected, and that is all powered by Spectrum.
you're perfect. You are.
Spectrum powers literally everything at this hotel.
I'm not trying to
If
like.
the internet went down, we couldn't check a guest in, so I
But we're
could not
meant to
imagine running
and
my
I'm
business
not
without
going to let
Spectrum.
that's like someone mess with you, they
I'm
gonna
most
have to mess with
proud
me.
of our family for
I'm a
having
big
come
dog in
together and
the
built
area,
something that we've
so you better
sustained for
mess
so
with me
long.
before you be messing with
What
my
we've been
friends.
able
I'm in
to
the
do
area.
here is
In the
provide
area,
a
this is my area,
consistent,
so you better
stable,
not be messing with my
reliable
friends here.
experience for
They're
our
my
guests,
friends and I'm
for
the
our
boss
staff,
around here.
and for
So a bully
ourselves.
get kicked out. See, this is a bully. He bullied my friend here.
The Spectrum Reach Pay It Forward program is committed to empowering small business owners with the free resources they need.
We saw immediate response. We saw immediate sales because of the Spectrum Reach program.
It was so engaging. They took me by my hand and they walked me through the entire process.
Because when businesses connect, communities thrive.
It's really fun for people to say
That
they
mess
saw
with
it.
me.
You never had a
My
commercial TV before, so I'm
country
super
so
grateful
didn't
for
mess with me. Bye
Impact
bye.
your business. Apply today.
Part 2 Minecraft. Minecraft or
Getting to the profit's gonna be the hard part. Look at this, man.
Minecraft or Prodigy.
That's
It's
a
probably
nice
gonna be
little
Minecraft.
retailer right there. That's a couple $100 by itself.
Huh. Look at Shadow.
These are all worth money. I don't know how much.